In this video, we're going to see how we can draft the timetable and publish it. So if you're following through with the videos, now we have generated our timetable and it is down here as I scroll down. So you can see that it has been done properly, and also those free period warnings that we had got before, they're there. Right? Even from forward like 10 free periods, if I scroll down, you can see that those periods are there. This just shows that I was not using like a full school, only 10 teachers and 4 classes, isn't it? And just a few subjects. So that's why I have a lot of free periods in the timetable, right? And it's even saying those double lessons. You can see combined science is double, combined science is double there. So if you're satisfied with this, you can simply download it, right? So first thing, if this is selected, all classes, as you can see, I can see all classes down here. And if I press download PDF and again open there, you see that I have all the timetables here from Form 1 to Form 4 of all the classes. So this is the master timetable, right, from Form 1 all the way to Form 4. But if I had Form 1 selected, and if I then press download, again you see that I only have Form 1 timetable here, right? So I can send this if I want to, but as you can see, it is written draft because this has not been published yet. So if I want the actual one, I'll click on publish here, but let's just do that later as I show you some of the stuff here, right? So here I have Form 1 selected, so you see I'll only see the Form 1 timetable here. If I want to see the Form 2 timetable, if I scroll down, I'll see the Form 2 timetable here as well, right? So that's how you navigate the downloads and pressing the download PDF here, right? So what else can we do? You'll see that this particular one is just written agriculture, and that is the room, agriculture field science lab, and it's showcasing that it's a double period, right? So if I want maybe teacher names included, I'll just click here, show teacher names. Now it is showing agriculture Mr. Farai Chari, English Mrs. Tariro Moyo, Shona Mrs. Rovimbo Kumbo. It's showing now the teacher names, but if I don't want, I just uncheck this. And if I want to shorten the subject names, it can shorten here. Now it's ComSci, ICT, Ing, ICT. That's in case your timetable is big and you want to save on space, right? So you can just click on shorten subject names here. So even if I download this, you see that it has shortened names, but usually this goes with a show subject key, right? With a subject key. If I click on this, then download again, you see that it has a subject key here. Agri is agriculture, Ing is English language, Geo is geography. You get the sense, right? So that's just it. And if I'm satisfied with the timetable, if I click on publish here, so remember there were some teachers that contributed to the teacher loads here, like the other accounts that I had. If I go back to it, you'll see that this teacher submitted their load, but they are waiting for the timetable. The timetable master is not published it yet, so they cannot see it even if they go here. But they can know that all the teachers have submitted their 129 periods out of 160, so they can see roughly where the timetable master is now, right, in terms of generating the timetable. So if I go back to the timetable master and say publish to teachers, it is now publishing here. And if I go back to that teacher account, you can see now they have access to the timetables. So they can also see the master timetable. They can select their own timetable here, as you can see. And let's see if they click on my timetable. So it can also filter according to their own name and their own. So they can see here English, period 1, period 2, English Tuesday. They can see all of this, right, where they are, instead of seeing everyone else's timetable, right? So they can also download as well these timetables by class. Let's say Form 2, they can download the timetable as well, right? It is as simple as that. All right, so what else do we have to look at here? So let me go back here and let us now look at this section here. So this section is where there is the conflict doctor here. If there were any subjects that were not placed, it will tell you right in this section that these subjects were not placed, right? So you can see here Form 1 34 placed, Form 2 35 placed, Form 3 30, and Form 4 30 placed. So there is no conflict here. It will also tell you here no conflicts, no unplaced lessons in this draft, right? If there were anything that was not placed or that was missing, it would appear here, right? So how you would move it, let me show you the example from this section here, move placed. So here, let's say I want to move a Greek, which is on period 1 on Monday, and I wanted to move it to period 8 right here. So what can I do? One, I can enter this and select where it says a Greek Monday period 1, right? And then I can choose period 8 on Friday. I just scroll down, and as you can see, period 8 on Friday, it's telling me that the class is free and this teacher is free. So I can select it there and click on move here. So you see that a Greek has moved from Monday all the way to Friday, period 8 here, right? That's how you move, right? So as you can see, it can also give you suggestions. Let me just select again agriculture. Where is it? Agriculture period 8. If I come here where it says suggest slot, it can tell me that Monday period 1 class is free and teacher is free, and I can move it there. So it can give me a suggestion. I just click so it is back where it was, or I can also just select it and check where it says current slot teacher free. It can tell me that class is free and teacher is free, class is free and teacher is free. So you can select from there or just click on suggest slot here, right? So that's basically how you move around. That's the same thing if something was not placed, right? So for example, let us let me see here. Let's say this agriculture, I then move it maybe somewhere which is already there's a subject there, maybe maths period 7, right? So maths on Friday period 7, there's maths there, Friday period 7 there, then I move. Right, Form 2 already has a lesson in that time. Move the existing lesson first or choose another slot. So it will actually tell you. That's where the conflict doctor comes in now. So it's now telling you that it has another slot there already, so you cannot move it, right? Just try again and see. Now I clicked on the swap with an existing class lesson in that slot on this advanced option. So this will remove mathematics, right? But now it is unplaced. So you can see this one now, it's now saying one waiting, because we moved agriculture from here to where there was mathematics right here on period number 7. So now maths is no longer placed. So you can see that this part is now ready to be selected. So you see one is waiting, that is mathematics. So you can either click here or you can click here, either way, right? So now I can go here and say suggest slot. So it's telling me that Monday where agriculture was, and then I can place it there. So basically I'm now just playing around, placing and stuff like that, right? So let's see, there is a teacher who said they are not available maybe on a specific day, but you have no option than to put them on that day. You simply select this box here. It says allow school override for teacher unavailable times. So it will now override their decision saying no, Friday period 2 I'm not available, or period 3 I'm not available. You can override that and still place them there. And if you have done some mistakes and you want to go back, you simply just click on generate timetable draft again, right? So it will just go back to where it was. You can see Greek is there, maths is back where it was, and it is clean again. So that's if you have moved everything around and you just want to go back. So that's basically it. It's now moving around, designing your timetable here, showing keys and everything. And once you are done, when you click on publish to teachers like I showed you, it will showcase in their own accounts and they can download. But if we now download a published timetable, here I've selected form 2, so it will only show me form 2 here. It now says published. It's no longer a draft, it's now a published timetable. So that's basically it. That's how you create a timetable using schemerangu.com. And any feedback is welcome. You just go to this number that I showed you in the first video. Let me just show you again where you would get that number for feedback or getting access to the timetable plan. So just WhatsApp here. Send a WhatsApp there. Any feedback, any problems that you have, you just send a WhatsApp here. So thank you so much for following through. Kindly watch the other videos on creating schemes, creating lesson plans, learning tasks, and the exciting with ZZZ AI. So watch you in the other videos.